Hello, welcome. This is blockchainbloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Attila Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that the Bitcoin is 20% lower. Bitcoin price on Binance Australia against the Australian dollar. What happened? I'm going to explain you in a second. Then we have Hong Kong and the UAE central banks collaborating on crypto rules. And the third news is all about that the Bali government cracks down on crypto payments by foreign tourists. So guys, all this in today's video. And don't forget, every day I'm making you a couple of fresh videos to keep you up to date. So if that's important, then simply subscribe. And if you like this kind of content what I'm creating, then hit the like button. So let's do today's episode. Okay, and when we're looking at the price of the biggest cryptos, we can see that the Bitcoin is actually down now more than 3% in the last 24 hours, 27,075. Then we have Ethereum about 2.5% down, 1,866 US dollar. When we're looking at the top gainers, we still have, tiny gains. XDC 4% off, about 5. The Graph about 3%, Quant 2%. But of course, when we're looking at the losers right now, Bitcoin is going down. Therefore, there are more alts going down. About 10%. Conflux in the lead in the top 100. Optimism about the same, 9.5%. Pepe around 9%. And so on and so forth. When we're looking at the candlestick chart, or the Bitcoin candlestick chart, we can see today we're forming this red candle, and so far this level, this support level 27,100-ish has stopped us. Do we continue? We're going to see it. We're still in this falling wedge so far, so we will see that do we go all the way here to 26,000 as we have done it actually not long ago on the 25th of May. Then we came up here and then be down maybe once again. So we're going to see it anyway. A lot of important things coming out pretty soon. Debt ceiling, it's going to be raised and voted by the Congress, in a couple of days. Then, a lot of news maybe from China coming as Hong Kong is forming, really a crypto hub, at least going in this direction. So interesting times, in 2 weeks, we have the FOMC meeting, how the Fed going to raise the interest rate. So interesting times, and we're going to see that do we drop further down? Will there be a bigger correction, or actually we can recover and start to go up again? Okay, now let's move on to the first topic. And the first topic is actually that Bitcoin selling for 5K cheaper on Binance Australia. Why is that? Let's talk about that. Okay, so we have here Binance Australia, where Bitcoin price was around 22,000 US dollar when you paid using Australian dollars. And now it comes the interesting part, because it's not as nice as you think. Okay, let's move on there and let's buy it. So anyway, bottom line is that on the 18th of May, Binance Australia informed the users that it's suspending Australian dollar services. So this was around mid-May after a decision by the third-party payment provider. And the movement comes as traders rush to cash out their crypto holdings into Australian dollar before the door for local bank withdrawals closes in a few days. And this is, I think, 1st of June, so pretty soon. Actually, they're saying on the 31st of May, which is actually today, would be automatically converted into USDT, whatever you have in Australian dollar. And therefore, there is, a lot of selling pressure, selling Bitcoin to Australian dollar. And because on the other side, where is that? Anyway, if I don't find it, I don't find it. I don't care. It will be Australian dollar will be delisted on Binance Australia from the 1st of June. And because without the ability to deposit Australian dollars into the trading wallet, you cannot really take an advantage on this. So yeah, well, you can sell your Bitcoin for Australian dollar, or you could do it. This is very, very close to the deadline now, as it's the article saying on the 31st. So today it will be automatically converted into USDT on Binance. And therefore, there was a push, a sell push from Bitcoin side towards Australian dollar, those who wanted to cash out in Australian dollar. And this caused this kind of very interesting price difference. So it wasn't an arbitrage or something, but you would like to take an advantage of. But actually, it was interesting, this news. Okay. Then next topic. The next topic is all about that Hong Kong and the UAE central banks want to collaborate on crypto rules. So we have here the Hong Kong and the UAE central banks collab on crypto rules, and the two central banks are aiming to align their financial service sector and said both share many complementary strengths. So Hong Kong and the United Arab Emirates central banks are looking to collaborate on crypto regulation, and not just that, financial technology, so fintech development, and it also makes this narrative stronger that Hong Kong would like to become a crypto hub if, their central bank, it's really getting hot when it comes to crypto and fintech. So they're really developing here. And, also in the United Arab Emirates, crypto, it's a hot topic. So why are we seeing the United States suffering and not really finding its way in crypto, and rather would like to push crypto under the rug? On the other hand, we see many countries just like Hong Kong, and now we see UAE also working on something to get something out of crypto, and many other countries as well. We can continue this very easily right now. So why one part of the world is kind of, don't take an advantage on crypto opportunities and digital technology, these kind of things, the other will. And it's always like this. Right. Okay. And now the third news, and now someone who is, a country, put it this way, against crypto in one way, it's Bali, because Bali's government cracks down on crypto payment by foreign tourists. So now it looks like that the Bali government doesn't really like that you spend your crypto, so use crypto as a payment in Bali. So the government of Bali is cracking down on use of cryptocurrency as a means of payment by foreign tourists. Strict actions range from deportation, administrative sanctions, criminal penalties, closure of business premises, and other tough sanctions could happen, said the government, if you would do so. So foreign tourists who behave inappropriately do activities that are not allowed in their visa permit use crypto as a means of payment, and violate other provisions will be dealt with firmly. And it's very important actually to highlight that why crypto use as payment instrumental is prohibited. It's very important that crypto as an asset, it's allowed in Bali. But they're getting really strict now with this, and they emphasize it as well. So if you go to Bali, don't try to pay with your crypto. Otherwise, you can get into trouble. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Don't forget, every single day I'm making you fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain related videos. So if you would like to get these videos on time, then simply subscribe to this YouTube channel, subscribe bell button all. And of course, if you like this kind of content when I'm creating, then simply hit the like button. Help the algorithm spread these kind of videos on YouTube. So guys, thanks a lot. See you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye-bye.